friends, today what we're going to do is we are going to make a bird's eye view of a snowman. Okay, so let's see the supplies that we need. We need crayons, we need markers, we need paper, we need a square paper. I'll show you how to make a square paper. Before that, we also need some glue, and I have different size lids to make circles with. If you don't have these, it's nothing to worry. You just need to draw circles freehand. Okay. And snowman, it's not a perfect round thing. It's like man-made, right, with the hands. So you don't have to worry if you don't have this. But if you can find different size circles, like you can maybe use glass, like some small bottle caps or things like that. Okay, so I have these 4 lids, 4 different size, and then I also have my whiteboard. Actually, you may not need the whiteboard. I'm just using it to show 1 or 2 perspectives of how to draw the eyes and nose. Okay, that's all. So let's talk about how to make this into a square paper. So you can, square is a shape that is same on all the sides. So this is a 6-inch paper. This is half a paper, right? Half a paper is 6 inch. Can you see 6 inch? So what you need to do is you need to measure 6 inch on this side, and then draw a line and cut it. Or if you don't, I'll show you an easier way to make this. What you need to do is you are going to from one corner, this corner, you're going to fold the paper, match the sides of the paper. Can you see this side with this side? So like that, and turn around. So it will be exactly on the line. Can you see the line? So let's cut and see now. I'm going to cut the paper. It was exactly on the line. Can you see the line that I made? So you can get a square. I think you guys would be knowing how to make a square paper by now. But in case you didn't know, this is how we do this. So I have this scrap paper. I will need that. I have one more paper from some other project that I did. In case you don't have that, you can even use this is a printer paper. I had printed out something on this side, and I don't need that. I can even use this. Okay, so only thing is you will be using this for the bottom circle. So we are going to cut out circles from this. So the first circle you will make in this one, and the smaller circles that are on the top you will make on this one. Okay, got that much? Okay, the first two, the bigger 2 circles you can make on the scrap paper. The other 2 you'll make on this one. I have enough of this, so I'm good to go. So I'm going to put this aside, the square paper aside. Now, what we need to do is we are going to make a bottom snowball. Okay, it's like the snowman is like have a bottom, middle, and a head snowball, right? So we are going to make the bottom snowball. I'm going to put it on the paper. Does it fit in here? Maybe I'll have this. It doesn't fit well in this one, so I'm going to use this scrap paper. I'm going to cut out my bottom snowball. So that is the bottom snowball. Let me cut this out. We need scissors also for this project. this week I thought, why not do snowman for all the classes? Snowman is a fun art project, right? So I have that. I'm going to leave this aside. Now I'm going to make the middle snowball. So I'm going to take that. Let's not waste the paper. I'm going to keep it as close to the paper. And then if I put right in the middle, there won't be enough space for the other things that I need to cut out. So, and then this is the head snowball. I'm putting to this side. Okay, I'm going to cut this too. This was not my middle snowball. This should have been the middle one. It's okay. This can be the scarf. So, and I need to make one more. We had to make 4, right? So the next bigger one is the middle, the body, or the middle part of the snowball. Okay. So I have one big circle, a little bit smaller one, a little bit smaller one, and even smaller one, the head. So 4 circles. Okay, now what I need is I need to make the part of the scarf that is like coming out, right? So I'm going to make 2 shapes like that. Did you see? Just made a line. It's not like a straight line, little curvy line like that. This part is already cut, so I'm going to we're not wasting any paper here. So that is done. Now this, let's make 2 stick hands. So what I suggest is first let's color it and then we'll cut it, because after cutting it will be difficult to color. So I'm going to make one stick hand. See how I'm using the rest of the paper? So 2 hands. I just made a V and then a long line like that. Let's cut this also out. This is going to be a quick project because only part that takes time is the cutting part. The rest is going to be super fast. One hat. Cut it as close. In case it's not that close to the lines, close to the brown, you just need to fill in with brown. Okay, these are the scraps that notes doesn't need. And these, so there is the second smallest. Okay, That is the big circle, the next big one. Then this one, I'm going to put this aside. Not the smallest, the second smallest one. And this, I'm going to put here. All I'm going to do is I need to color that. Put this on top. I'm going to make a design here. I'm going to make a radial design, so let's make it. I'm going to use purple and pink for my scarf. You can choose any color, okay? So right in the middle, I'm going to put a dot. And then I'm going to make a line like that. Okay. X, and then a line like this. So I just made an X and 2 lines running through the middle. I'm going to color this one. I'm going to leave the next one and then the color the next. Okay, I'm going to fill this part. Okay, so that is done. Now let me color this scarf. Okay. The same way, I'm going to divide this into, I'm just drawing 3 lines. I'm using the same color pattern. Okay, this is also the part of the scarf. Making the lines nice and crisp. Okay, so that is done. Oh, we need a teeny shape for the nose, like a teeny triangle. So I'm just cutting out a triangle. That needs to be colored with orange. Okay, so we're going to put these aside. We're going to take our circular paper. No, not circular, this paper. We are, let me see how to put this in. Okay. I'm going to color the background. So before I color, I'm going to take my black marker. I'm going to add some circles to make it look like it is snowing. Not in the middle, because that's where we are going to glue down the snowman. Okay, I'm going to take this blue. I'm going to color this. You could have colored this with any color, but actually this is the ground, it is the snow that we are showing. So snow reflects the whatever color, right? If it is, so it can be any color. So I'm just lightly coloring this. I want my, the snowman to stand out. So I don't want it to be brown. Then it would look like melted snowman. Because still you should be able to see the white. Okay. This part needs not to be, see, I'm going to put that over there, right? So next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little bit of blue and put on the edges of the circle. Lightly. Put all this away so I can have more space. And against the blue yellow background, you'll be able to see that, right? Yes. So I'm going to take the next one. See, lightly, very lightly, lighter than this one, the background. You're going to color the edge. Okay, so the coloring is done. Now you can put the crayons back. Now all needs to be, all that is left is to assemble this. So I'm going to, let's see how we assemble it. I'm going to take this, take it with the big circle. I'm going to put some glue. We are going to put the glue on the bigger paper. So right in the middle of the big paper, I'm putting the glue. I'm going to put this on top. Okay, on the right in the middle, I'm going to put the glue. So the next big circle, white circle, goes on top. Right in, right in the middle of this. The scarf thing is going to go. Okay, so and then I'm going to take this, the tip of this, I'm going to put some glue. I'm going to stick this under the scarf circle. And this piece also, only the tip. And like that. Now I'm going to put some glue in the middle of the scarf. I'm going to, before that, we need to glue down the hands. So from the middle one, we haven't glued this completely, so it's good. I'm going to put some glue here. And see, that's the brown side up. And then like that. You can put put some glue if it is sticking out too much, and let it down this side. I think this is a little bit too long. I'm going to cut this. I'm going to put it this way. I don't want both to be in the same direction, so like that. Okay, so that is done. If you want to glue down the scarf also, that is fine. Now where's the head? I'm going to glue it down here. Now we have the nose. Is it too big? Maybe I can cut this down a little bit. Okay, we can have the snowman. You can draw the eyes here, and then that is it. This is the, I'll glue this one. This is the bird's view. So I think I would like the background to be a little bit more darker. So I'm going to take the blue green because it's, or should it be this way? Can you guys see the snowman? I'm just going to add the blue green to the snowman's sides. So this, I'm going to make some lines come down like that. So we have the aerial view, the scarf. Of the snowman, a bird's view of your snowman. Okay, so that's all. So if you had fun, and when I would like to see, and I had a lot of fun. I hope you guys had fun with this project. I would like you guys to take a picture of your finished work and email me with your, I'm just outlining this so that it will look nice and crisp. I couldn't stand. So email me your finished work, take a picture of your finished work and email me in the email address that I am putting at the end of the video with your name, room number and your school name. Okay, so till we meet next time, bye bye.